How to fix your Netflix cannot add profile. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection and try restarting your router or switching your network. If that is not the case, you might also need to refresh your Netflix application by closing the app completely, wait a few seconds and open it again. If your application has any kind of pending update, you want to simply go ahead and update it from your Play Store or App Store. And once you've done that and it still doesn't work and you're on a smart TV, then you want to simply go ahead and clear your cache or app data and restart Netflix and try again. You want to also go to netflix.com/status to check if there are any outages on Netflix servers. If that is not the case, you might want to simply go ahead and sign out and sign back in, which should fix your problem. Also, Netflix has a profile limit, which is usually 5, so remove an unused profile and try adding a new one. If nothing works, simply go ahead and contact Netflix support at netflix.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.